Welcome. Today we are going to take a look at clips. Clip is an appearance of a media in the timeline. Clips reside in layers. You can create a clip by drag and drop media into preview. You can also use Add New Clip button, which becomes available when target layer is selected. Clip can be also made of an arbitrary shape or text. Clip setup can be inspected in the Explorer panel, where you can set a name or edit filters. In Load Filter, you can preview and adjust source media. For example, trim the desired section of the original video. More filters can be added using Add Filter button. Many filters support dynamic changes through keyframes. Fine-tune the configuration with the help of Preview.
Widevideo.